Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question number 77. Express 2 and 3 over 8 as a decimal. This is a mixed number, and we all know 2 and 3 over 8 equals 2 plus 3 over 8, and equals 2 plus, if we use 3 divided by 8, 0, 3, 24, 60, 7, 56, 40, 5, 40, 0, 0.375 equals 2.375, and this is the answer. Alright, but I hope you can remember some numbers. 1 over 8 equals 0.125, and 2 over 8 equals 1 over 4 equals 0.25, and 3 over 8 we all know is 0.375. 4 over 8 equals half, and it is 0.5, and 5 over 8 equals 0.625, and 6 over 8 equals 3 over 4, and that is 0.75, and finally 7 over 8 equals 0.875. Yeah, I sincerely hope that you can remember all these numbers. At first, it is not that easy to memorize them, but which can be very helpful in improving your arithmetic speed. Alright? 希望同学们记住这些数字。这些数字，如果说大家能够熟练的应用，那么对于我们的解决运算问题，对于大家提高大家的运算速度是有非常非常大的帮助的。Okay, and that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.